Today, we're going to learn how to use the formal requests. Could you? Could I? May I? Let's start. Remember that the verb can is used to make requests or give permission. For example, can I ask you a question? Yes, of course you can. You can go home now if you like. But if we want to make a request or give permission in a more formal style, then we use the modal verbs could or may in place of the verb can. For example, could I ask you a question if you're not busy? You may go home now if you like. Okay, so now look at this simple request. Can I come in? How could we say this in a more formal way? Could I come in? Or may I come in? It's easy, isn't it? Okay, so now let's learn more about formal requests. Could you? Could I? May I? Answers. To make a request, can you give me a hand? In a more formal style, we could say, could you give me a hand? And now look at some common answers to formal requests. Could you lend me £5? Yes, of course. Could you help me, please? I'm sorry, I'm a bit busy. May I use your phone? Sure, go ahead. Okay, now remember that when we ask for help, we use can or could, but not may. For example, can you help me? Or could you help me? It's simple, right? Now, I will give you some more examples of formal and informal requests. Look at the following examples carefully. I will show you an informal request and then make it into a formal one. Let's start. Can you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? Can the children play in the garden? Could the children play in the garden? Can we take photos here? May we take photos here? Can you lend me your car? Could you lend me your car? So, being polite when making more formal requests is very easy.